Good afternoon. Anita Willoughby checking in on day 3 of the COVID-19 Togetherness Project in this age. And I thought, as an experiment, I wanted to do some group togetherness and sharing self-help. So I will lead you for approximately 10 minutes in steps where we place our hands on our body to help harmonize both our immune system and the total energy in our body. So each step will stay for approximately 2 minutes, and I'll give you some imagery, but this is really a time for you to take a journey inside and experience what's going on within you. And away from this will help harmonize all the fears and the worries of the mind and connect you directly to your physical being, to your breathing, to the air and the food and the blood pumping through your body, cleaning up the waste, and connect to what is really happening to us instead of what we think in our mind from outside is happening in the world. So it's a moment of togetherness. Even though I can't see you, at some point we're going to experiment with Zoom. I have my assistant here who is much younger than I am and much more adept at social media. So I did Zoom once, but we'll try it again. And I was going to go over the same steps for the same flows that I showed yesterday and we put on Facebook in a video. So to begin with, then, I'd like you to take both hands and put them between your knees. Okay, first of all, before we do that, actually, just exhale, relax, drop your shoulders, move your shoulders around a little bit. I'm an ex-dancer. I also love yoga, so I love movement. So I've made a series of 7 steps and I'm looking at them sort of as a dance. And today I'm putting all these steps together, so maybe it will help you remember them in an easy way that you can do on your own. But if we do it together and you begin to learn it through your body kinesthetically, it's easier to remember. And if you also know why you're doing it, why you're touching an area on your body, that also helps you. So let's begin then by holding both hands. We can either put them together between the knees or we can cross. Let's see, thank you. We're gonna cross, whoop, I don't wanna fall off the edge here. Okay, here we go. My knee, I have my right hand on my left knee and my left hand on my right knee. We can do it that way. Or if you like, you can put both together and bring your knees around the hands together, right? Very powerful. It's your choice what feels good to you. Now, if there's tension in your body, change the position of your body, change the position of your hands. It's a good idea to close your eyes, come inside, check in with yourself. I will give you as much verbal description as possible. So we are holding the inside of our knees. This is the safety energy lock number 1. It's unity. It brings order out of chaos. So this is the chaotic age that we're living in. We can bring some unity into our beings through holding safety energy lock number 1. And the reason I chose safety energy lock number 1 to start with in this sequence of 7 steps is because it gets you moving and it gets you connected from head to toe. So brings you into your physical body on planet Earth. It's also the exhale. So exhale, drop your shoulders, let go. And in this moment, see if you can connect to other people watching this live video other people around the world, the oneness, harmonizing chaos, bringing order back to our world, to our universe, to our lives, to our own individual physical being. It gets us moving so we can participate in creating a new order. Its power is to help us exhale, let go of our breath, let go of the past, so that we can begin the new cycle. That's a quickie to help bring our body into harmony. And then 2 days ago, I shared the special detox flow for the immune system. So we'll take our right hand and put it on our left shoulder. That's over safety energy lock number 11, which is again about letting go of what we no longer need. And then the fingertips are also on safety energy lock number 3, which is the door, and it's the door for the breathing, for the exhale and the inhale. It's the door to help harmonize our lungs. So whatever has come into our body goes out. That's the importance of the exhale. At the same time, the left hand goes right below safety energy lock number 20, the rib cage in the back, safety energy lock number 23, which helps us. The 23 is all about cleaning up the body. Helps the lymph system, helps the fluids in the body, helps the kidneys. The kidneys clean all of our blood every hour, so our 23s really need to support the movement of the blood through the kidneys. So breathe. Just observe what changes are happening in your body. What do you feel? Remember, if you're feeling tension, relax. Let go. Receive the new abundance. When we're sitting down and doing self-help Jin Shin Jyutsu, it's a good idea to plant your feet firmly on the ground so you're connected and you have the support of the earth. And then the third step is we take our hand and put it in the area of the 15, the groin, right here where the leg and the pelvis meet. Safety energy lock number 15, joy and laughter. In this time of seclusion, of social distancing, we need to find our humor. Humor is our saving grace. Watch funny movies, stand on your head, do something totally new and different and silly. Laughter is the best medicine. So the 15 helps the circulation throughout our body, helps the blood circulation, helps the veins, the arteries, helps the lymph system, so it moves fluids. And laughter, think of the laughter moving the fluids in your body and cleaning. When fluids are stagnant, then we collect debris. We collect schmutz. If you can, note changes that you're feeling. Observe. They could be very subtle. Be the observer of the internal functionings of your own body. And then we take the right hand and put it on the arch of the foot. I just like to grab the whole bottom of my foot and feel around for the perfect place of tension that wants to be held and released. If you don't find it, then you can just put your whole palm. Each of these safety energy locks is the area of the palm of your hand. So there's quite a bit of an area in that palm of the bottom of the foot. Safety energy lock number 6 brings us into balance and harmony. It's the arch that's standing over the earth. It supports us. It's a bridge. Brings balance into our own individual body, but can help us bring balance into the world. If each person is in balance, it will spread exponentially, even faster than COVID-19. We're all working at home, remote working, so my husband's working in the other room. And that is the special immune system. 4 simple steps. And then for the last few hands, let's take our hands with the inside of our thumbs together, spreading the fingers, and now you can rest your hands anywhere you want comfortably. This is a mudra, helping the lung energy, the lungs, the breathing, whatever comes into the body goes back out. So we'll hold it anywhere that's comfortable. Make sure that you're relaxed in your arms. I like myself when I'm doing mudras just sort of to bend my elbows. So here we are, coming back into oneness. The thumbs together at the center of our body. Helping our lung energy again. Exhale, release any tension. Watch your breath, become conscious of your breath. It's a basic primary rhythm of life. Breathing. The more that we're fully breathing, the more we will harmonize everyone in this global citizenship world. Think globally, act locally. And then, after After we've really come back to our center, focused on our breath, let's just fold our hands over, cross them, put the inside of our thumbs this time on our chest. Reach, spread our fingers, reach them up to the safety energy lock number 22, adaptation. Adapting to the changing circumstances in the world. Internal adaptation and external adaptation. We're right at the top of the lung area, at that 22, where our hands are also over the 13s, and the thumbs are right over the bridge, the center of the sternum, the heart chakra area, a bridge which connects us back to source. And then for the very last part of this little sequence dance that we made up for our first global sharing, just bring palms of your hand together right in front of the sternum, the center of the sternum. Bow your head. Exhale. Let go. And then gently open your eyes. So I want to thank you all for coming. This is an experiment that we're doing of how to share in this new era. My assistant is helping me, and we're thinking about going to Zoom. We love any of your comments and suggestions of what you would like to talk about or experiment with together. So we're in this, all of us are in this together. We're learning together, and I love feedback. So feel free to post or to connect with me. Anything else?
Yeah, that's great. So doing Zoom tomorrow probably, right?
I hope we're going to get to Zoom tomorrow and find another way to share. And even my cats, if you notice, the cats started to come up while the energy was.
They've never done that before.
No, they never have done it, but they love, animals love Jin Shin Jyutsu. They love the energy, so they came over and wanted to sit on my lap.
That's
all right.
Sweet.
So thank you very much for coming. And watch out for more. We'll post more information on Facebook. And again, reminder, please comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Was this helpful? Was a group self-help a simple one? Short but sweet, but powerful. Okay? Thank you. Until we meet again in the flesh.